how to get streaks back on Snapchat the updated way. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I will be showing you how you can recover your lost streak. So to get started, all you have to do, we're just going to jump right in because what you're going to do is you're just going to go ahead and open Snapchat over here. So go ahead and open Snapchat, and then on the top left, you're going to click on your profile. You're going to click on the top right now on your settings, and then you're going to scroll down and you're going to click on the support section. So in the support section, you're going to click on I need help. And for a bunch of users, the I need help section might not load. So if it's not loading for you, as it is not loading for me, you're going to go on ahead and go into your browser. And once you go into your browser, you're just going to search for Snapchat support. And once you do that, you're going to click on the first link over here. And once you do that, you can actually see this is the popular topic section, and you're going to click on Snap Streaks. And now you can see over here, they have this Snap Streak section, and then you're going to click on Let Us Know over here. And you think that your account has been compromised or whatever question that you might have. So let's say that you lost your Snap Streak, you're going to click on Let Us Know. I've lost my Snap Streak. And then after that, you're going to enter this or fill out this form over here where you just have to enter your username, email address, mobile number, device, the friend that you lost your Snap Streak with, so the other person that you had your Snap Streak with, and when you had this issue, and whether or not your Snap Streak, how long was your Snap Streak before it expired. So you're just going to enter all this information, and usually 48 hours. Within 48 hours, your Snap Streak gets recovered, and you also just have to tell them whether or not you saw the timeout icon or not. And just like that, you can get your Snap Streak recovered on Snapchat. So I hope you found this helpful, and I will catch you in the next video.